effectively be used to bring about rapid societal change? If we want education to change society, then we must have quality education. And by quality education, the first step is to motivate teachers. So the first point is teacher motivation. If the teacher is not motivated, the teacher can't teach the children to have any impact on them, to elevate their skills to develop mother Ghana. So the first one is teacher motivation. Another one is making education accessible, free and compulsory for every Ghanaian child. If education is accessible, that if people are able to access school nearby, they can enroll their children. And free in the sense that some people do not have what it takes to take their children to school. So if education is made free, they'll be tempted to put their children into school. It must be compulsory because for some people they have the money, but they wouldn't want to send their children to school, especially the girl child. So if education is compulsory, parents will be forced to take all their children to school. Another one is to provide quality educational facilities to help teaching and learning. If we do not have classrooms, we do not have textbooks, we do not have computers, we do not have the material that will assist the teacher to teach the children, there wouldn't be any quality education to change society. So provision of educational infrastructure will help education to be able to change society. Another way by which we can use education to change society is by the use of the lingua franca. We said education has given us a common language, a national language. This can be used to cut across all ethnic groups in order to bring the nation together. Another way by which education can be made useful to change society is by ensuring that the girl child is given the opportunity as a boy to also enroll in school and also continue the school to a very high level. Otherwise, these girl child or the girls that are going to be in the house, they will give birth as many as possible and they will give birth as early as possible, and this is going to increase the population growth rate, which will not be in the interest of the nation because we do not have the developed technology to increase productivity. So as a girl child is left in the house, what will be left for her is to reproduce. So if we allow them a chance, they can also be educated and affect society. As I'm doing now, we have a lot of women who are politicians, a lot of women at the helm of affairs because of education.